Here's how you can use CapCut to enhance the quality of your clips to achieve that viral 4K look. Let's start by heading to the CapCut app and opening up a new project. Select the clip that you want to upscale, scroll to the Adjust section at the bottom. Slide the saturation to 10, the sharpness to 25, and the clarity to 25. Next, back up and open up the Effects tab. Type here in the search bar HDR. Select the first effect that comes up. Then, click the effect and press Adjust. Set the glow to 10, filter to 30, and intensity to 20.
This part of my life is called peace.